stronger. Wants to be a two-division champion, and he felt great yesterday because he woke up in the morning, the day of the weigh-in, and he knew he didn't have to make weight, you know.
Third round. Wow. He attacks, and the knockdown happens early in the third.
That was a tremendous combination. There must have been 5 punches there.
And Magsayo knocks down Avelar, who just shakes his head, tries to crack his neck. Baby Janelle watching in Corona, look at, he's attacking. Canelito needs to move. Not eat punches like he is right now. Oh, from Magsayo. And Canelito answers with the left. This dude is tough. He does not want to trade with Magsayo. Oh! A huge KO! Magsayo has knocked out Canelito on a huge uppercut, immediately called off. Wow! Let's look at this highlight.
You saw that feint. Wow. The way that Magsayo moved. Look at that. The change in direction that he took.
He just dropped.
It completely fooled Avelar. That's what an experienced fighter. Watch this little move. Let's see that pivot and then put him into position to shoot that left hook out.